Hello everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today, we're about to witness something truly impressive: the full restoration of a heavily rusted and abandoned truck by an incredibly skilled 18-year-old girl. The vehicle was found lodged in a shallow stream, its frame covered in layers of mud, rust, and decay. Let's break down each stage of this meticulous process. First, she carefully inspected the vehicle's condition. Most of the body panels were bent or corroded, and the tires were fully deflated. Using a chain hoist and wooden ramps, she ingeniously pulled the truck out of the water and onto dry land, a task requiring both strength and mechanical insight. Once on stable ground, she began the cleaning phase. Armed with a high-pressure washer and wire brush, she removed thick mud and algae that had built up over time. The rust was particularly intense along the undercarriage and engine bay. She then used rust dissolvers and sanding tools to gradually strip away the corroded layers, revealing the bare metal beneath. Next, the engine restoration. She dismantled the engine block, replacing worn gaskets, cleaning out sediment, and applying lubricant to stuck pistons. A new starter motor was installed, along with fresh spark plugs and wiring. Her attention to detail here was remarkable. She even cleaned and reused older parts when possible. The bodywork was equally impressive. She reshaped dented panels using a mallet and dolly set, and patched holes with welded metal sheets. After smoothing everything with filler and sanding it down, she primed and spray painted the entire truck in a matte grey finish, practical and stylish. Finally, she reinstalled the windows, rewired the lights, and gave the truck brand new tires. When she finally turned the key and the engine roared to life, it was nothing short of a triumph. This wasn't just about restoring a vehicle. It was about proving what's possible with knowledge, patience, and determination. An inspiring transformation from rusted wreck to a fully functional machine. Truly remarkable work.